Hi guys, lot of updates this week. Unity Terrain got the update a few weeks ago, and the Viking village, it's really nice. It seems to use the same technology for terrain creation and the surrounding, the water and so on. And those objects, I don't know, it seems that they are custom made. They are really beautiful. Ah, the scene is amazing. Sunset. Okay, alrighty. Ah, it is amazing. Wow. Oh, look at the water and the reflections. Haha, on the left side. Cool. I put that element big like that just to see it in all the details. It's really amazing. So detailed. Yeah, that is Unity Terrain grass, the movement. Cool. Like it. Let's see the what. Yeah. Like some grass, some leaves, and so on. What level of detail, eh? Can't believe it. Let's see here. Wow. Look at that grass. I really like it. Yeah, that would be it. A little bit of update will come then after. And what we are aiming for horizontal placement, we can put it on VR or AR, detect the table, and then some horizontal plane, and then put the scene above it. So cool. That is really detailed scene, and we are aiming for setting the scene on the horizontal detection and put it for VR and then after for AR. Wow. The probe itself is fantastic. We have three terrains: left side, right side, and the middle portion. That is the left side. And then you get that water motion. I'll put like that. Wow. It's reflecting from the sun. It's so cool. The light in the direction is also perfect. Wow. That boat. I just love it. So cool. Yeah, the picture underneath, and then the water from the water above, you get then that effect. Cool. So beautiful. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Meanwhile, in Berlin, there are some light effect on the vertical walls of Brandenburg Gate. You can see then after. I will do it shortly, but let me put some comments if you enjoyed the scene. For me, was really one nice experience to merge those two, terrain and the Viking village. Just the default scene is beautiful. It's amazing. What level of details, eh? Wow. Cool. See you next time. Bye.